In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email automation in ActiveCampaign. We're going to walk through a simple but powerful automation from start to finish, so you can start sending emails on autopilot as soon as someone joins your list. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and head to the Automations section. Once you're there, click on Create an Automation. When ActiveCampaign asks how you want to start, choose Start from Scratch, then click Continue. This gives you a blank canvas so you have full control over what happens. Next, we need to set up the trigger, which is what tells ActiveCampaign when to start the automation. You'll see a list of trigger options. Choose something like Subscribes to a list if you want this to run whenever someone joins a specific email list. Then, select the list you want to use. You'll also see an option for how often the automation runs for each contact. Choose whether it should run once per contact or multiple times, depending on your strategy. When you're happy with that, click Add Start to confirm. Now let's add the first action, which is sending an email. Click the plus icon in the automation builder, then choose Sending Options, and select Send an Email. You'll be prompted to either use an existing email or create a new one. Choose Create a New Email, give it a name that makes sense to you, and then design your email using the editor. Once you've finished writing and designing that email, click Save and Exit to return to the automation. To avoid overwhelming your subscribers, you'll usually want to space out your messages. Click the plus icon again, go to Conditions and Workflow, and choose Wait. Select Wait for a specified period of time, then set how long you want ActiveCampaign to pause before moving to the next step, like 1 day or a few hours. Click Save to lock that in. You can also make your automation smarter using conditional logic. Click the plus icon, choose Conditions and Workflow, then select If Else. Here, pick a condition such as Has Opened Email. This allows you to send people down different paths based on what they do, like opening or not opening an email. When you've set your condition, click OK. To keep your list organized, you may want to tag people as they move through the automation. Click the plus icon again, go to Contacts, and select Add Tag. Type in the tag name you want to apply, then click Save. Tags can help you segment later, so choose names that clearly describe the contact's behavior or stage. Once everything looks good, it's time to turn your automation on. Click the automation name at the top left to give it something clear and descriptive so you can find it later. Then, in the top right corner, toggle the status from inactive to active. As soon as that's switched on, your automation is live and will start running for any contacts who meet your trigger conditions.